Hello, hello, this is Max, working on the final from fall 2014. We're on problem 4b. This looks like a pretty short one. It's asking us to find cycle that returns a stream repeating the digits 1, 3, 0, 2, and 4. I'll give you a little hint here. 3 plus 2 mod 5 is equal to 0. I have no idea what that means right now. Alright. Oh, okay, wait. So this hint, so let's just think about this like math-wise. You can see that 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 3 plus 2 mod 5 is equal to 0. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 mod 5 is equal to... 4 plus 2 mod 5 is equal to 1. Okay, so you can sort of see how this pattern is going to repeat. And if we took all of the things that are less than 5 mod 5, we would still get them out. So it looks like this is just sort of like mod 5 stuff, and you're being asked to essentially, do you know how to do streams? Alright, so what do streams have? Well, streams have sort of a first, and they've got some compute rest. Those are the two arguments they're going to take. And our compute rest does two things. It figures out whether or not there's more things to have in a stream, and it also is going to return out a stream that contains the rest of the list. So we're actually going to calculate the rest of our stream once we call stream.rest, and it's actually going to call compute rest. So these are the two things it takes. It takes some zero argument function. So you have to be sort of tricky about how you're going to send state in, right? So how are you going to keep track of variables? All right, so what are we returning? Well, let's return start. Start is going to start at 1, and presumably we'll change start based on how we, so based on sort of what we pass in, we can change start. Okay, now we need our compute rest to return some streams. So let's start by that. We're going to have it return a stream. And what's its stream going to be made of? Well, it seems like its stream would be like start plus 2 mod 5, right? But what's its compute rest going to be? We can't just make another call onto our compute rest because then our start's going to be the same. So let's think about things a little bit differently. We want to return a stream, and we say that cycle returns a stream that contains 1, 3, 0, and 2 repeating forever. So let's just sort of move on. We'll just change our start, right? So if we just change our start from being 1 and we instead make it equal to 3, then instead of being 1, 3, 0, 2, 4 forever, it's going to be 3, 0, 2, 4, 1 forever. But we will have kept track of the 1 in here. I don't know if that made any sense, but hopefully that seems clear to people. So if we do cycle, and now here we do our start, plus 2 mod 5, then we will define a new compute rest when we actually make this call to cycle that's going to have a new start that's going to let us do, so instead the new start's going to be 3, and so we'll do 3 plus 2 mod 5 is 0. And so you can sort of see how this chain is going to keep going. So we'll pass in start, and we'll pass in compute rest as our 0 argument function that's going to compute the rest of the list. And we know this is safe because cycle is going to return a stream, and compute rest is also going to return a stream. Okay, good. All right, so if you have any questions about this, it's a little tricky. Feel free to post on Piazza. I'm going to answer. Thanks for watching.